After you hit 60, collagen starts vanishing quietly. And 90% of seniors don't even realize that's what's behind the weird sensations. Tingling in your hands, pain in your knees, or legs that feel like jelly. By the time you reach 65, you could have lost over 30% of your body's collagen. That drop causes stiff joints, shrinking muscles, and creeping pain. But here's the good news. You can rebuild it naturally. In this video, we're counting down 8 of the most powerful collagen-rich foods, from the least potent to the absolute best. And number 3, it's a game changer. It helps rebuild cartilage and eases nerve pain by up to 40% in just a few weeks. All scientific references are linked below for those who want to dive deeper. Before we begin, tell us, where are you tuning in from? And what are you feeling more? Tingling in your hands or weakness in your legs? Drop it in the comments. We read and reply to every single one. Let's get into it. Starting with the veggie at number 8, which you probably already have sitting in your fridge. Number 8, red bell peppers. Red bell peppers aren't just colorful salad fillers. They're one of the richest sources of vitamin C, a critical nutrient for collagen production. After 60, your collagen production doesn't just slow down. Without enough vitamin C, it can grind to a halt. But just half a cup of red bell peppers delivers more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. Why does that matter? Because vitamin C activates the enzymes that help your body turn amino acids into strong, elastic collagen fibers. These fibers are what protect your joints, blood vessels, and even your nerves. According to a 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults with higher vitamin C levels had stronger grip strength, faster walking speeds, and lower inflammation. Red bell peppers also contain capsaicin, a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, one of the main causes of collagen breakdown in your joints and nerves over time. The trick? Don't overcook them. Heat breaks down vitamin C quickly. Instead, slice them raw into salads, pair with hummus, or toss into stir-fries at the last minute. Red bell peppers don't just add flavor, they help preserve your strength, protect your joints, and keep your collagen levels from slipping away. Number 7, spinach. Next up, the humble leafy green that's actually a collagen powerhouse. Spinach. It helps restore joint flexibility, improve blood flow, and protect sensitive nerves in your hands and legs. Spinach is loaded with beta-carotene, a compound your body converts into vitamin A, crucial for keeping collagen-producing cells, called fibroblasts, active. Without it, those cells start to shut down. Spinach also packs lutein, and chlorophyll, which detox your tissues and help prevent the chronic inflammation that destroys collagen. For seniors, this is especially important. Inflammation is a key reason why joints stiffen, fingers burn, and legs lose that spring in their step. Even more alarming, over 60% of older adults are deficient in magnesium, and spinach delivers a solid dose. Magnesium helps your muscles contract, your nerves fire properly, and collagen enzymes do their job. In 2018, a study in biological trace element research found that seniors with higher magnesium intake had more resilient connective tissues and fewer symptoms of nerve compression, like carpal tunnel and sciatic pain. And don't forget about spinach's natural nitrates. These help widen blood vessels, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to hard-to-reach areas like the hands, feet, and knees. That means faster collagen repair, better joint flexibility, and less nerve-related pain. If walking hurts your knees, or if typing makes your fingers tingle, spinach should be in your daily diet. It's not just another green, it's a protective shield for your aging muscles, nerves, and joints. Number 6, okra. Now, if your joints ache or your fingers are stiff and locking up, okra might be the overlooked miracle you need. A lot of people avoid it because of its slimy texture, but for your collagen, nerves, and joints, it's a hidden gem. Okra is packed with mucilage, a thick, gel-like fiber that helps cushion joints and soothe inflammation, just like cartilage does. As collagen breaks down with age, your joints lose lubrication, and that's when pain sets in. But okra fights back. It contains pectin, rhamnogalacturonan, and polyphenols, all of which boost collagen production and shield your cartilage from oxidative stress. In 2021, a study in pharmaceutical biology found that okra extract reduced joint inflammation, rebuilt connective tissue, and even helped regenerate damaged cartilage in lab models. Most seniors with weak knees or tingling hands aren't just losing muscle, they're losing collagen in the joint linings, nerve sheaths, and connective tissue. Okra helps fix all of that. It's also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese, three nutrients your body absolutely needs to build and maintain collagen. Vitamin K sends calcium to your bones, not your joints, keeping them flexible. Manganese helps your body produce proline, a building block of collagen. Vitamin C, as we mentioned, fuels the enzymatic process behind collagen formation. Plus, quercetin and flavonoids in okra protect your nerves from the damage caused by free radicals, making it especially important for people experiencing numbness or burning sensations in the legs and hands. Okra isn't just a side dish. It's a natural plant-based solution for restoring collagen and protecting joints and nerves, especially if you're over 60. Number 5, broccoli. Think broccoli is just a boring vegetable? Think again. For older adults, it's one of the most effective foods for restoring tendons, ligaments, and collagen-heavy tissues. After 60, your body's collagen matrix starts crumbling. That's when you begin to notice knees popping, ankles stiffening, or fingers going numb. It's not just aging, it's collagen degradation. But broccoli can help stop and even reverse that. Thanks to its high sulforaphane content, broccoli activates your body's natural repair genes, boosting detox and regeneration. A 2020 study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology showed that sulforaphane protected collagen-producing cells, reduced inflammation, and helped heal cartilage. And broccoli has more than just sulforaphane. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates, all crucial for building collagen, protecting bones, and reducing oxidative damage in joints. If you've got burning, tingling, or numb hands and legs, this is especially important. The antioxidants in broccoli prevent damage around nerve endings and connective tissue, helping restore nerve function and soothe inflammation. Even better, its high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar. Why does that matter? Because high blood sugar stiffens collagen and makes tissues easier to injure. Keeping your sugar stable keeps your collagen supple. Broccoli should be a daily guest on your plate if you're feeling stiffness, weakness, or numbness and creeping in. It's more than just a veggie. It's a collagen restorer, nerve protector, and joint healer all in one. Number 4, beets, fuel for blood flow and collagen repair. Now, let's talk about beets. These deep red roots are a game changer, especially if you feel like your legs are dragging or your feet are always cold and tingly. If walking feels like a chore or your legs go numb when sitting, the problem might not just be weak muscles. It could be poor circulation and starved collagen. Without enough oxygen and nutrients, your body simply can't rebuild collagen. That's where beets come in. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that opens up your blood vessels and improves circulation. In a 20 nutrient study, seniors who drank beet juice saw a 21% increase in blood flow to their lower limbs. That translated into better walking endurance and stronger muscle activation in the thighs. Improved blood flow means better delivery of the key building blocks for collagen: vitamin C, amino acids, copper, and zinc. Without proper circulation, your knees don't get the supplies they need to heal. That's why beets are especially important for older adults with leg cramps, slow healing, or numb toes. And it doesn't stop there. Beets contain betanin, the pigment that gives them their color. Betanin is a powerful antioxidant that shields collagen from breakdown due to oxidative stress, one of the biggest causes of joint and nerve degeneration in seniors. Beets are also packed with folate, a B vitamin that helps your body produce new cells and regenerate tissue. Low folate levels have been linked to high levels of homocysteine, an inflammatory marker that breaks down collagen and stiffens arteries. If you're experiencing slow healing wounds, burning feet, or just feel like your legs have aged a decade overnight, add some beets to your diet. You can roast them, steam them, don't boil, too many nutrients get lost, juice them, or shave raw beets into a salad. For an extra collagen-boosting punch, try combining beets with citrus fruits to increase nitric oxide output. Think of beets as nature's way of restoring your inner highway system, getting nutrients back to where they're needed most. Number 3, seaweed, the ocean's answer to collagen loss. Seaweed might seem strange or even unappetizing, but don't underestimate this slippery superfood. For seniors battling stiff fingers, tight joints, or tingling nerves, seaweed can be one of the most powerful collagen stimulators available. What makes seaweed so special? It's loaded with rare bioavailable trace minerals that are hard to find in other foods like iodine, zinc, copper, and manganese. These minerals are absolutely vital for the enzymes your body uses to assemble collagen. No matter how much protein or vitamin C you consume, without these cofactors, your collagen machinery just won't work. That's why many seniors feel like they're doing everything right, but still getting weaker. Seaweed also contains fucoidan and alginate, unique compounds that stimulate fibroblasts and reduce inflammation in connective tissues. Studies from journals like Marine Drugs have shown that seaweed extracts help regenerate collagen in tendons and joints while reducing nerve pain. And here's a bonus. Seaweed supports thyroid health, thanks to its natural iodine. If your thyroid is underactive, which is common in older adults, your metabolism slows, and so does tissue repair, including collagen regeneration. Symptoms like cold hands and feet, dry skin, or muscle cramps may actually be signs of low thyroid function and, in turn, low collagen. A 2021 study even found that seniors taking seaweed extract had faster tendon healing and less joint pain in just a few weeks. To get the benefits, don't go overboard on sodium-heavy seaweed snacks. Look for dried, low-sodium nori sheets or unsweetened seaweed flakes. You can crumble them over soups, salads, or mix them into smoothies without noticing much taste. Just a few servings per week can significantly replenish your mineral stores and help restore joint and nerve function. If your hands burn at night, your knees feel locked, or your fingers have lost strength, seaweed might be the ocean remedy you've been missing. Number 2, asparagus, the silent defender of your collagen matrix. Let's be honest, asparagus usually shows up on dinner plates more for presentation than purpose. But after 60, this veggie becomes a secret weapon against collagen decline. First, asparagus is packed with glutathione, known as your body's master antioxidant. Glutathione protects your collagen from getting damaged by oxidative stress, which builds up as you age. Inflammation, environmental toxins, even medications, all of it wears down your collagen network. Glutathione shields it. A 2020 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity found that seniors with high glutathione levels had stronger bones, better collagen structure, and fewer markers of joint degradation. But that's not all. Asparagus brings vitamin K to the table. This nutrient helps direct calcium into your bones and away from soft tissues like your joints, nerves, or blood vessels. Without vitamin K, calcium drifts into the wrong places, leading to stiffness, poor flexibility, and nerve compression. And if you've had trouble healing from minor injuries or cuts lately, asparagus has folate to help with DNA repair and cell turnover, both essential for regenerating new collagen fibers. As a bonus, asparagus feeds your gut bacteria with prebiotic fiber, improving nutrient absorption, especially of collagen-boosting minerals like zinc, vitamin C, and magnesium. For those of you with loose joints, hip pain, or tingling arms when reaching or typing, don't just see asparagus as a side. It's a regenerative food that helps your body knit together the structure it's been losing. Roast it with a bit of olive oil and lemon, toss into omelets, or chop into rice and quinoa bowls. Eat it weekly, your joints will notice. Number 1, parsley, the tiny herb with massive collagen power. And here it is, the unexpected champion of collagen regeneration, parsley. I know what you're thinking. Parsley? That little green garnish I push aside at restaurants? Yep, that one. But trust me, this tiny herb is mighty, especially for seniors over 60 who are dealing with nerve problems, joint pain, or that frustrating slowing down feeling. Let's break it down. Parsley is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet. Just one handful can provide over 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. And remember, vitamin C is the co-pilot in the collagen production process. Without it, your body can't turn proline and glycine, two amino acids, into collagen. That means slower healing, sagging skin, weak cartilage, and poor tendon recovery. But parsley doesn't stop at just vitamin C. It's also packed with apigenin, a powerful anti-inflammatory flavonoid that calms down overactive immune responses. This is critical if you suffer from autoimmune joint conditions like arthritis. Chlorophyll, which helps your red blood cells carry oxygen more efficiently, aiding tissue repair. Vitamin K, again for proper calcium placement and to prevent calcified joints. Iron and folate, both necessary for oxygen transport and tissue regeneration. Here's a secret most people don't know. Parsley supports your kidney function, which helps flush out excess acids that break down collagen. Seniors with chronic inflammation often have an acidic body environment that weakens bones and connective tissue. Parsley helps clear that out, like a reset for your whole internal system. Even the scent of parsley contains essential oils like eugenol and myristoyine that reduce inflammation and support circulation, especially helpful if your hands swell or your legs cramp at night. You don't need to eat bowls of it. Just chop a handful into soups, smoothies, sauces, or sprinkle it fresh over meals. The more often you add it, the more consistent your collagen support will be. So next time you see parsley on your plate, don't push it aside. Pile it on. Section, Protection Tips, how to protect your collagen. After 60 daily habits that matter. Okay, we've talked about what to eat, but let's go one step further. If you want to really rebuild and protect your collagen after 60, these simple daily habits make all the difference. Psalm 1. Cut back on sugar and processed foods. Refined sugar and chemicals found in processed snacks damage collagen through a process called glycation. It stiffens your tissues, making you feel older than you are. Swap sugary drinks for herbal teas. Choose real food over boxed meals. Simple. 3. Sleep like it's your job. Your body makes collagen during deep sleep, especially around 10 p.m., 2 a.m. That's when growth hormone kicks in. Try to sleep in a cool, dark room, limit screens an hour before bed, and maybe sip some tart cherry juice or magnesium-rich teas like chamomile before sleeping. Use light movement to stimulate collagen. Joints are like hinges. If they don't move, they rust. You don't need intense exercise. Gentle daily movement, like Tai Chi, water aerobics, or walking, stimulates fibroblasts and increases circulation to collagen-rich areas. Plus, movement keeps nerves firing correctly. 5. Protect against collagen thieves. Yes, there are collagen thieves in your daily life. Smoking and secondhand smoke. Chronic stress, cortisol breaks down collagen. Overexposure to UV rays. Use hats and mineral sunscreen. Sitting too long, stagnant circulation equals slow healing. Keep these in check, and your collagen will stick around a lot longer. So let's bring it all together. If you've been battling tingling hands, weak knees, or painful legs after 60, it's not just aging. It's likely a signal that your collagen network is breaking down, and your nerve and joint health are trying to wave a red flag. But the amazing news is you can fight back. With the right foods and a few key habits, you can rebuild that structure from the inside out. Let's recap the 8 collagen-restoring, nerve-healing fruits and veggies. Guava, vitamin C king papaya, natural exfoliation and joint protector. Blueberries, anti-inflammatory and brain plus nerve boost. Kiwi, amino acid enhancer for collagen. Broccoli, sulforaphane plus antioxidant powerhouse. Beets, nitric oxide and circulation booster. Seaweed, trace minerals and thyroid support. Parsley, vitamin C-rich herb that repairs everything. Add just 3-4 of these to your weekly routine and combine them with movement, hydration, and better sleep, and you'll start to feel the difference. More strength, less pain, better movement, and a whole lot more confidence. If this video helped you or someone you love, make sure to share it with a friend or family member who might be silently suffering. They don't have to live with weakness or numbness forever. This information could change their life. And if you want more natural remedies and simple science-backed health tips for staying strong after 60, go ahead and click that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video.